how to turn on or turn off battery protection on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. And from here, tap on battery. Then tap on battery protection. On this page here, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn on battery protection. Once you turn it on, you can choose basics, adaptive, or maximum. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.